Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Hindi po ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So, kunin nyo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa inyo. For personal reading, yung tarot reader, isearch mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And kung gusto ninyo, pwede rin naman kayong mag-follow sa akin sa TikTok. I-search nyo na lang po Unicorn Princess Tarot. Okay, so start na po natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Okay, messages for Virgos, please. Messages for Virgos. General to, guys. So, kukuha ko ng messages for money, love. Kung ano po yung lumabas dito, ano? You do have here the king, the Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Wands. Wow. And the Page of Wands. You do have the Queen of Swords. Wow. Tatlong queen na yan, guys. Tatlong queen. Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and the Queen of Swords. Just so you know, sa isang deck po ng tarot deck po na ganito, apat lang ang queen. So, tatlo na po yung lumabas. And you do have here the Eight of Swords. You do have here the Nine of Swords. So, yun yung mga messages sa'yo. Page of Pentacles. Wow. And there's the other queen, the Queen of Cups. Okay? Sabi ko sa'yo, apat lang ang queen. So, this is the last queen, the Queen of Cups. Okay? So, for some of you, this is you, no? Nakikita natin na you are like everything. Paano ko nasabing ganun? Maybe, you are good at everything. No? Maybe yung iba sa inyo, with the Queen of Pentacles, you are already a stable person. Guys, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, this is not your reading, okay? Maybe you are already a stable person. May mga problema with the Nine of Swords. Maybe may mga bagay na hindi mo magawa because, but maybe hindi mo magawa because of your profession. Maybe you're too busy, ganyan. But I'm saying here na you are surrounded by the pages, Page of Pentacles and the Page of Wands, okay? Of course, sa isang tarot deck, apat lang din ang page pero dalawa ang nagpakita. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? Might be you are the queen who is surrounded by pages. And maybe itong mga taong to is quite immature. Maybe hindi nila kayang maging kasing katulad mo because you are the queen, no? You're the Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords, and also you do have the Queen of Cups, and I feel yung energy mo doon. Okay, that you are all the queens. Kahit saan ka ilugar, kahit saan ka ilagay, nag-excel ka. Kaya mong gawin lahat. Maybe yung iba sa inyo, you're artistic, at the same time, magaling ka sa music, and at the same time, magaling kang gumawa ng pera. You are, the kind of queen that could do everything, na lahat nasa iyo na. Babae man or lalaki, no? Kahit sabihin kong queen, huwag nyo lang intindihin yung gender. But anyway, I feel like with the Page of Wands and the Page of Pentacles, may mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo. Maybe you would feel like itong mga taong to is hindi sila masyadong interesado, or I don't know if that's just one person or maybe two or more. Ganon, ikaw nang bahala. But I can see people, no, na nandyan sa paligid mo, and then you might feel like parang hindi nila gusto yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo. And it feels like parang pwedeng wala silang choice because the Eight of Swords, it feels like wala silang choice kung ano yung sabihin mo or ipagawa mo. Maybe you are the boss here. And with the Nine of Swords, yeah, it's like they're trapped into something. And I feel like open naman sila regarding yun sa mga bagay na yon with the Page of Wands, because maybe with the Page of Pentacles, maybe may money. So, pwedeng ito ay may kinalaman sa work or career. Or pwede rin namang love with the Queen of Cups. But anyway, the World is here and the King of Cups, the Star. Okay, it's Aquarius energy. I'm seeing a person na might be medyo malayo sa'yo tong taon to, but I can see pagkagusto or maybe even love towards this person. Or itong person na ito, nakikitaan natin siya na may pagkagusto sa'yo itong taon to. And I don't know kung alam mo ba yon. For some of you, alam, yung iba hindi. But you're so busy dito sa mga pages na ito. So, yun ay could be a people or person sa buhay mo na parang kailangan ayusin, kailangan i-train or whatsoever, But you're like maybe a very professional queen or a professional person na sa ngayon hindi emosyon yung pinapairal mo. Yung pinapairal mo ngayon is yung professionalism, Maybe kahit ayaw or hindi feel nung tao yung ginagawa niya, you're giving advices na hindi kailangan mo gawin to, kailangan mo gawin yan. Kasi maybe yun yung makakabuti para sa lahat. Hindi ko alam kung lahat makaka-relate dito, guys, But I don't know, yung iba I can see a leaf here, like dahon. So I don't know if you're a plantito, or maybe kabibili mo lang ng mga herbs, or maybe flowers. And so yung iba ganun nga, kahit saan ka ilugar, kahit saan ka ilagay. The only thing na parang medyo hirap or medyo hindi mo feel or maybe hindi mo talent is maybe may kinalaman sa water. So maybe yung iba sa inyo, you're not a good swimmer. Ayan, you don't know how to swim. Kung marunong man, hindi ka ganun ka-active pagdating sa bagay na yon, or hindi mo masyadong feel sa barko or sa dagat. I don't know. Take only what resonates. What's with the Queen of Pentacles? Ito of Swords. When it comes to money, nakakita tayo ng malaking pagbabago kung magagawa mong magdesisyon. Like, there's a decision na kailangan mong gawin para magkaroon ng malaking pagbabago. You are already stable, pero maaaring, I don't know, yung iba may kinalaman sa business or what, career, or may kinalaman sa pagta-travel. You have choices here. Sabihin na natin you're already stable, pero mas magiging stable ka pa kapag nag-decision ka regarding something. And you do have the Lovers. So, at the bottom of the deck, this could mean pwedeng may kinalaman sa partnership or maybe relationship na pwedeng mas makakatulong para sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, kung relationship, maybe you do have choices. So, maybe may relasyon or connection na kung ito yung magiging partner mo or magiging karelasyon mo, yung iba, relationship, no? Mas magiging maganda yung career mo, and maybe someone here is waiting for you na magkaroon ng choices regarding that or decision regarding partnership and relationship, or a relationship, you do have the wheel of fortune para magkaroon ng pagbabago. I can see this person ang possible na mag-message sa'yo, like this person ay possible na, the King of Pentacles, this is the person na parang gustong makipag-partner sa'yo, or maybe to help you move on from something, maybe sa mga bagay na hindi nagwo-work out para sa'yo. Pag andito lang ako, yan, especially with the lovers, it's like, diba, there's 3 people here, so there's this person na parang it's like an option. So, ito ay may kinalaman sa career or love, ha. Kasi nakakaramdam ako ng love energy dun sa iba. So, may nakaantabay, may naghihintay. Especially the Hanged Man is here. And nagpapakita dito si King of Cups. So, yeah. Could be the King of Cups or the King of Wands. Oh, guys, dalawang king na yon. So, might be that is the best partner na mas magwo-work out para sa'yo. Alam mo yon, maybe kung ikaw ay nasa isang relationship, hindi magwo-work out yung relationship mo with that person because might be that person is page, just a page. Dalawa yung nagpakitang page, and I feel like that's the person na malapit sa'yo. So, eto, sana maintindihan mo kasi dalawa yung nararamdaman kong energy, whether love or career. There's a person na nasa paligid mo na medyo childish, medyo hindi niya alam yung ginagawa niya. Sabihin na natin napipilitan sa mga bagay na ginagawa niya. But there's this king who wants to be by your side, who wants to be the person na papantay sa'yo because you are the queen and you are the queen of everything. And lahat ng talents, lahat ng kakayanan, skills ay nasa sayo na. And you can have everything in the world kung siya yung makakasama or makakatulong mo. Okay? And I feel like yun ay career at love at the same time. So what's with the Queen of Wands? Spirit guides, angel guides for the Queen of Wands. Sana nakaka-relate ka. I don't feel like lahat makaka-relate kasi ang energy is very professional but very mature. Ganon. What's with the Queen of Wands? Spirit guides, angel guides for the Queen of Wands. Queen of Wands is clarified by the Ace of Wands. I can see a new beginning. New action na gagawin mo. And I feel like there's this people na maaaring makatulong sa'yo with the Six of Swords. Slowly but surely, kung ano man itong sinisimulan mo or sisimulan mo, maaaring magdulot or maging maganda ang resulta sa'yo in the future. Whether it's learning something new or maybe, the Queen of Wands is like an advisor yan eh. Or, you could be yung person na magaling makapag-communicate, you could be that person. Or you could be the person na, maybe do have a business or meron, because the Queen of Wands is like a financial advisor, or siya yung tipo ng tao na magaling magbigay ng advice lalo na financially. So, nakakakita ko ng that is your strength. That is your strength. Kung ano man itong yung sinisimulan mo, definitely that's your strength. Yan yung kalakasan mo. You're good at that. Maybe hindi mo lang napapansin ngayon na magaling ka dyan, na yan talaga yung gusto mo, na yan talaga yung pangarap mo. Maybe hindi mo lang yun nare-realize ngayon. But soon enough, you would know na, ay, ito pala yung gusto ko talaga pag nandun ka na. And I feel like malayo ang mararating mo with a Knight of Wands dito sa mga bagay na ito. Okay? And I feel like there's this Five of Cups and a Page of Pentacles. Some kind of help ang maaaring maibigay mo dito sa mga taong sad, may problem, and the Ten of Swords. This is the Four of Swords. Energy ito ng parang namatayan eh. So I can see you giving some kind of help dito sa taong namatayan. So maybe in the future, with the Queen of Wands, yung iba sa inyo, you could be, alam mo, this is the energy of, nag-alok ka ba ng Saint Peter, mga ganon? Or, ikaw ba ay financial advisor? Ganon. Maybe, in the future, you will be helping someone here with the Page of Pentacles. And you do have here the Judgment. Yeah. May energy ito ng someone. Hindi ko na sinabi na yun yung pinakasitwasyon. But there's this energy na maaaring in the future makatulong ka dito sa taong nalulungkot, taong namomroblema, and you are there to help these people. Maybe financially or para pagaanin kung ano man yung mga dinadalang problema nito mga taong to. Okay. So, the Ace of Wands is here. What's with the Page of Wands, Spirit guys, Angel guys, for the sign of Virgo, please, with the Page of Wands, please. What's with the Page of Wands? One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit guys, Angel guys, for the Page of Wands. For the Page of Wands. Four of Swords and the Five of Wands. This is an energy sa mga, like ito yung mga tao kasi sa paligid mo with the Page of Wands. The Five of Wands is like, I can see problem, pag-aaway, pagkakagulo. And with the Four of Swords, it's like, hindi mo kasi maramdaman yung feeling na itong person na ito is there to help you na magkaroon ng changes. Or maybe kung may mga new beginnings ka regarding, lalo na may kinalaman sa career, na maaaring this is like your priority. Pero gusto mo na itong mga taong to ay gawin din nila ito as their priority. Parang ganon. And like, parang pagtrabahuan mo or ninyo yan, or gusto mo itong mga taong to na parang i-work out. Like the Eight of Pentacles is an energy of a person na hardworking. Maybe nagkakaroon ka ng expectations dito sa mga taong to. Kaya maaaring with the Five of Wands, nagkakaroon ng problema or pagkakagulo because hindi naman nila nami-meet yung expectations mo. So, yeah. What's with the Queen of Swords? Spirit guys, Angel guys, for the sign of Virgo. What's with the Queen of Swords? Spirit guys, Angel guys, for the sign of Virgo. Take only what resonates, guys. What's with the Queen of Swords? I feel like I need to get one more card. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles and the Knight of Swords is here. There's this future energy na itong Seven of Wands, it's like walang makakapigil dito sa person na to. It's like a person na maybe a person na nagiging cold sa'yo. And I don't know kung yun ba ay may kinalaman sa love. For some of you, may kinalaman sa love. Yung iba sa inyo, maybe person na may kinalaman din sa career yung iba. But maybe, kasi the lovers is here. And then I told you, there's this person, no, na parang always waiting, na parang ako yung option, nandito ako. If you want na magkaroon ng kaayusan or pagbabago, I'm here. Okay? I am far more better kung ano man, kung sino man yung partner or maybe may kinalaman sa career or love. Parang feeling nitong taong to, I'm better than that person. Okay? And itong person na to is like, walang makakapigil sa kanya ngayon with the Knight of Pentacles. Medyo matagal yung action nitong taong to because might be naghihintay nga siya ng decision coming from you. And in the future, I can see this Knight of Swords. And this is a person na parang gumagawa ng movement. This person is coming towards you, papunta sa'yo. And you do have your Seven of Cups. Yeah, to be the King of Swords. Yan. And to be the King of Pentacles. Ayan, no? So like what I've told you, you are the queen. And itong person na ito, gusto niya maging king. Your king. And kanina pa lumalabas itong person na ito eh. Ngayon, nasa Queen of Swords tayo. And this is you with the Queen of Swords. And might be, ikaw yung nagiging cold pagdating dito sa taong to or mga taong to. So sabi ko nga pwede may kinalaman sa career because you're acting professional dito. You're focusing on your priorities. Pwedeng ganun. But your king, gusto niyang sabihin na nating lumapit or gumawa ng actions papalapit sa'yo because you are the Seven of Cups. You are his or her wish fulfillment. Ikaw yung gusto niya. Ikaw yung minamanifest niya. Okay? Maybe ikaw yung minamanifest niyang kapartner sa work, katrabaho, whatever. So, I can see na pwede may kinalaman sa money with the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, sabi ko nga, pwede may kinalaman sa career. But anyway, this person is manifesting you and in the future, I can see actions mula dito sa taong to na parang, ay hindi, gusto ko kasi talagang, mapalapit. Ayan, sa'yo. So, nandito lang ako. I'm an option. Alam mo yon yung parang, alam niya na option na siya talaga. So, what's with the Eight of Swords? Spirit guys, angel guys, for the sign of Virgo, what's with the Eight of Swords? Sana nakaka-relate ka ha. Kung hindi, okay lang, may mga ibang video pa. Please do comment down below. Sobrang ma-appreciate ko yun. Eight of Swords, you do have here the Ten of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Ace of Cups. And the Ten of Cups. Actually, pag ito pinagsama mo, the Ten of Cups and the Ace of Cups, it's like, di ba, cups? And that is from Ace is number 1, tapos 10. So, it's like a complete package. Like what I've told you, King of Cups is here. Meron tayong bagay na hindi mapipigilan. And that could be a person with a strength card na nagkakaroon na ng lakas ng loob. No? This is like may kinalaman na to sa love, no? Kasi kanina may halo ng career yung kanina, but I can see that this has something to do with love, especially with the King of Cups. Okay? I want to be your King of Cups. I want to be the one, no, na could provide you protection, na could give you what you need, what you want, and what you deserve. Itong person na ito, feeling niya, deserve mo ko. Deserve mo ko eh. And itong person na to, you do have your the hanged man. So, patagal na naghihintay itong person na to. I'm waiting na makuha kita. Na maging parte ako ng buhay mo. Yan, temperance. You know, the temperance is like patiently waiting. Mahaba ang kanyang pasensya. And you could be with the Eight of Swords. Sorry about the noise, guys. Medyo maingay talaga yung aking upuan pag nag-ayos ako ng upo. Yeah, like that. So with the Eight of Swords, nakikita natin na you might be stuck. Ang tingin ng person na ito is you are stuck. You are trapped. You are someone na kailangan ng tulong. Nang kailangan mo ng someone na to help you. Maybe to help you financially or the feeling is that para kang kinidnap. Paano natin sinabing kinidnap? Eto, mas i-explain ko ng mabuti, no? Ang pakiramdam dito sa energy nito is like, maybe ang tingin niya is nauto ka lang. Eto sa part na ito, may nararamdaman akong part ng career and love. Maaaring ikaw ay ang tingin niya, nauto ka lang. Kaya ka, alam mo yung kinidnap? Di ba bago ka makakidnap, hindi ko naman sinabing tinry mo na noon. Pero usually, the example sa mga TV is that inalok ng chocolate, inalok ng lollipop. And then, syempre yung bata sasama. And that is you. Maaring kaya ka na sa isang sitwasyon, ang tingin niya, nauto ka. Ikaw naman, nagpauto ka. And maybe, feeling ng person na ito is ginamit ka ng taong ito, nung kidnapper, no? Kung sino man yung kasama mo na, maybe nung kung sino man ang nasa buhay mo ngayon, whether sa career or sa love, ginamit ka nitong taong to have money, to have this 10 of Pentacles. It looks like a ransom eh. It looks like a ransom. So, para magkaroon ng pera or ng stable na pamumuhay, na career, na ang pamumuhay, itong taong to, because nandyan ka eh, you are like, ayan para kang naka-stuck. And then, this person, being the King of Cups, is nagkakaroon siya ng strength or lakas ng loob dito. Pero maybe he or she is waiting for the right time kung kailan isa sa katuparan itong Three of Cups. The Three of Cups is like a reconciliation, is like a reunion, is like pagtatagpo sa inyo. So ito na, nagmumukhang ito yung pulis not actually pulis, pwedeng siya yung nagmumukhang may-ari, yung maybe ako dapat eh. 'Di ba yun yung feeling? Ako dapat eh. Akin dapat eh. Akin dapat yan. Kinuha mo lang. Inuto mo lang. Yung energy is like, naghihintay lang ng tamang pagkakataon itong person na to kung kailan siya dapat sumugod. No? You know? I feel like itong person na to is umarte na siya before as a friend. Hindi lang sa'yo, but maybe sa mga katrabaho mo, sa pamilya mo, or maybe sa person na kung may kinalaman sa love, so that means pwedeng karelasyon mo. Sa mga naging karelasyon mo or sa karelasyon mo kung marami or isa lang. Whatever. The energy is that nandito ako as a friend, nandito ako as a, wala akong masamang balak. Ganon yung energy niya. And it is because gusto niyang matyagan kung ano na yung sitwasyon. Pwedeng gano'n. Kasi kung lalabas siya or magpapakilala siya talaga kung ano talaga yung intention niya, pwedeng maglaylo ka or lumayo ka or umiwas ka, 'di ba? So, parang kunwari wala akong masamang balak. Ganun. And this person, I feel like the Hierophant is here. So, gusto niya mag-build ng family with you. Nakikita ka niya as a person na parang gusto kong i-share ang aking mga importanteng memories, like memories. I want to build or to make more memories with you. At this point, itong person na ito is very mature. And gusto niya nang mag-end with over the Tower. Gusto niya na mag-end. The Tower and the Ten of Wands, this is all ending. Ten of Wands. Number 10. So, and the Tower is also an ending. Gusto niya na mag-end. Ano ang gusto niya mag-end? You do have here the Page of Pentacles. Kung maaalala mo, kanina nagpakita na si Page of Pentacles and so as the Page of Wands. And sabi ko nga, ito yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Gusto niya nang mag-end yung taong ito with you. Kung sino man yan. No? Kung sino-sino man yan. No? Na nandyan sa paligid mo. Whether may kinalaman sa love or career. Pero sabi ko nga, high chance na may kinalaman sa love, you do have here the Two of Cups. This could be another relationship or partnership. Sabi ko nga, kung maybe if you do have a business, maybe yung kapartner mo sa negosyo, dapat ako na lang kapartner mo. Hindi pwede yan eh. Hindi pwede yung taong yan. Hindi ko siya actually nararamdaman ng energy na kontrabida dito sa buhay mo or what. Pero this person views you as a person na you deserve better. And I am the better. The better one. What's with the Nine of Swords? Alam mo, napaka-professional ng energy dito, no, guys? Napaka-professional. So, I don't know. You might be a very professional person. What's with the Nine of Swords? What's with the Nine of Swords? Spirit guides, angel guides. With the Nine of Swords, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. With the Nine of Swords, what's the meaning of... Or what? Clarify the Nine of Swords, please. Why is this card here? Six of Swords. Alam mo, ilang beses na nagpapakita si Six of Swords. The Five of Cups, Seven of Cups, and the Hermit. This is Virgo energy. Okay. I feel like itong person na ito is kaya niya gagawin yung action na yun. I can really see an action eh. Pero itong person na to, silent lang siya, tahimik lang siya. Mamatsyag, nakikinig. Pero with the Seven of Cups, gusto ka talaga niya eh. You know? I feel like mahilig siyang mag-collection. Seven of Cups, it looks like a collection, picture. Like looking at the collections here. So, pwedeng itong person na to is mahilig mag-collection or something. Or you are the one na mahilig mag-collection ng mga weird stuff. I feel like may kinalaman sa Halloween, pero okay lang kahit hindi. Anyway, this person is really sad. Sobrang nalulungkot siya. And I feel like itong person na to, isa sa minamanifest niya is that maramdaman niya or marinig niya na hindi ka masaya, na namomroblema ka. This is the person with the hermit. This is Virgo, no? Pero, ang energy is like, parang gusto kanya makitang umiyak. Gusto kanya marinig na umiyak. You know, kasi, balik tayo dun sa kwento ko tungkol dun sa kidnapper. Hindi ko alam kung naiintindihan mo yon, kung nagigets mo yung point na yon. Pero, ginibigay ko lang siya as an example, pero hindi yun yung sinasabi ko na talagang kinidnap ka or what, no? Ibig sabihin, gusto ko niyang marinig na may problema ka, na hindi ka okay, yung kalagayan mo, hindi ka okay, na problemado ka, na nasasaktan ka, ganto ganyan. Kasi, katulad nga ng isang king of cups, you know, ng isang police, or katulad nga ng isang, sabihin na nating hero, susugod yan, kahit kasi hudang hindi pa tama ang panahon, kasi hudang, kasi hudang hindi ka pa ready or hindi pa ready ang lahat. Susugod yan once na kailangan mo na siya. Or nasa panganib ka na. Parang ganun, gusto niyang marinig or makita na naghihikaos ka na parang hindi ka okay, na kailangan mo na talaga ako. No need to wait for my decision. Parang ganun, hindi ko na kailangan magdesisyon, kailangan na kita ngayon. Parang ganun. Gusto niyang maramdaman yung ganong feeling with the hermit. So this person is quiet, tahimik lang, nakikinig lang, maaaring nagmamasid lang, nakikinig lang. Kung kailan man niya maririnig or malalaman na hindi ka okay. Na with the Six of Swords, I'm here to help you move on. I'm here to help you na makawala or makaalis sa sitwasyon. The Hierophant and the Empress is here. This person really do likes you. Gustong gusto ka niya. Maaaring kung ito ay may kinalaman sa career, gustong-gusto niya kanyang partner. Ganon. Kung walang kinalaman sa love na yun. Iba kasi career, ang may kinalaman sa career yon. Like, gusto kita makapartner. Kasi nakikita ko yung abilidad mo, yung skills mo, yung galing mo. And I want that eh. I want that skills and like yung kung ano ka as a person. Walang kayang pumalit sa'yo eh. Ang galing mo eh. Parang ganun. For this person, you are the Empress. Ikaw yung Empress. Actually, the Empress is higher than the Queen. So, hindi Queen ang tingin sa'yo ng taong to. You are the Empress. You have everything. You are the one na gusto ko. Yun yung word eh. Ikaw yung gusto ko. Hindi yung kailangan eh. Kasi yung energy ng Page of Wands and the Page of Pentacles kasi dito, or sabihin na natin yung kidnapper, ikaw yung kailangan ko. Pero ito, ang words niya is ikaw ang gusto ko. You know? And you do have here the Knight of Wands, and the Page of Swords, and the Ten of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. This is no match. Wala talagang match or hindi kayang pantayan kahit ng dalawang Page of Swords and the Page of Pentacles ang isang Knight of Wands. Like, itong person na to, isusugod siya. Wala talagang kaya itong mga ito. There's going to have this Ten of Swords energy and that is another ending in the future. May nakikita tayong ending because your King of Wands is coming. You know what I love about this king is that yung king of wands, and it is wands, yung wands is all about action. So, might be itong person na ito is going to make an action in the near future. Kasi ako yung king of wands mo. I'm the king of pentacles, I'm the king of swords, I'm the king of cups. And now I'm the king of wands. Nagpakita lahat ng king din, guys, dito sa reading. So, itong person na ito is like nakakita ko na ipepresent niya ang sarili niya sa'yo. And the Four of Wands is here, the Fool. Nakakita tayo ng pag-take ng risk mula dito sa taong to. Someone is going to stop this person from doing that action. I can see someone na may magta-try na i-stop or pigilan siya sa pag-take ng action. And tell me about this. Ace of Cups, Three of Pentacles, and the Six of Swords. Maybe kung hindi man ito person, maybe this is a situation. Maybe a situation na magtatangkang pigilan siya para mag-take ng risk. Pero, nakikita natin na itong person na ito, planado na. Nakaplano na. Hindi mo ako mapipigilan kasi nakaplano na ako eh. Kailangan ko na lang i-execute or gawin yung plano na yun. At saka wala magagawa yung sitwasyon na yun. Maybe this is a situation or a person na nagpipigil dito sa person na to na mag-take ng actions. And you do have the Wheel of Fortune followed by that Hanged Man. So, malaking pagbabago regarding the Hanged Man. Ano yung malaking pagbabago? The Wheel of Fortune is big change. Ano yung malaking pagbabago? The Hanged Man. Yung paghihintay, maaaring mabago ito. And with the Chariot, nakakita tayo ng actions dito. Coming from this person. Because this person wants the Ten of Cups and the world. And that is you. Ikaw yung complete package. You have everything. And gusto ng person na to na makuha yun. Okay? That is it for now. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate ka doon. Alam mo, napaka-detalyado ng reading, guys. I don't know. It feels like a personal reading. So, might be napaka-personal. Kumbaga, kuhang-kuha ko yung detalye ng iba sa inyo. So, maaaring konti lang yung makarelate kasi napaka-personal ng reading na energy. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.